Wee! Wee! Yusuf, where are you going? Yay! Good job, Zico. Yusuf, what are you doing? You're gonna go up with Zico, up the hill? There, go up that hill with Zico. Can you go kiss Zico? Okay. Whee! Okay, Zico, kiss Yusuf. Yusuf. Yay! Yo, Yusuf, go to Zico. Go to Zico, Yusuf. Kiss Zico. Oh, no. Whee! Kiss. Aw, good job, boys. Aw. You see the beautiful flower?
Mommy, I see that beautiful flower.
Oh, yeah. What color is the beautiful flower?
It's yellow.
Oh, does it smell nice?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Can I take a picture with butterfly?
You want to take a picture of a butterfly? Okay, I'll give you the camera now.
Beautiful.
Yeah, Zico. Ah, Zico, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Mwah. Thank you.